Well, good morning, friends. It has been quite a night, quite a morning. Uh, if you were with us on the live stream, boy, was that a ride or what? We were flopping and groping, trading, wishing and hoping, and all comes around, all is good again. But as I take a look at YouTube, I see all these titles. This darn thing. Look at everyone saying the bull run has started. The bull market is here. Bear market is officially ended. And they are absolutely wrong. So wrong. And it is dangerous. It's actually, and they're using it. They can't, if they back up their claim in the video, then they're clickbaiting. It's not even a good thing to clickbait. It's totally wrong. Let me explain why. This parabolic movement most likely is from the backdoor Chinese Tether, Binance, crypto capital merchant fund fraud BS. And if and when, let's say, BitFINX dies, Tether dies, everyone moves their Bitcoin or their money from Tether to Bitcoin, and then what's going to happen is they're going to go back into another stable coin. And then that is what I believe would be the catalyst to coming back down, quite down. Remember, what goes up must come down, just like when we went to 20K. And just as 6,400, in my opinion, was the strongest resistance Bitcoin's ever had, and yeah, we pushed through it. That also means we can flop on down through super easily. Not saying it's going to happen anytime soon. Don't know when it's going to happen. Could happen tomorrow. Could be a month. Could be a week. Who knows when this shit's going to hit the fan? But everyone has to pick their poison. Choose a path. Do you believe the Tether Binance shit? Because if you do, then you know that this is manufactured from a group. It's not natural. It's not a bull run. It's not a bull market. It might be a bull run, but it's not a market. The bear market isn't over. On a side note, this is all because right now it's good because it's going up, but when it goes down, someone's going to want the head of the CEO of Crypto Capital to explain something to some of you folks if you don't understand. With businesses and companies, in order to accept payment, whether it's Visa, MasterCard, Bitcoin, whatever it is, you have to go through something called a merchant account. And banks provide it as well. BitFINX couldn't get any banks, so they went through a merchant provider. Crypto Capital assholes. Now, merchant processing is a dirty, filthy business. I have been with companies that had high-risk merchants where they charge high percentages and they freeze your funds. They can freeze and hold your funds for damn near any reason legally to quote-unquote protect themselves from chargebacks and whatnot. So, something either happened or they just, the 850 mil that they were spending that money, that the merchant crypto capital was breaking in that money, spending it. They thought it was going to keep coming in. Maybe it slowed down. So they go, freezing it. So right now everyone's jumping for joy, as am I. I mean, we've been trading it. I'm up. I got $310,000 trade right now. I'm up $4,000. Anyways, so that's my piece on that. It would take more time, in my opinion, to be confirmed that we are no longer in a bear market. Now, I know many of you were asking me about my indicators. And I told you guys it's not for sale. It's not. It's not for sale. This is something that myself and a mentor have taken almost 2 years, a year and 7 or 8 months to develop, and it's everything from bumper to bumper. It is simple to understand, yet it has depth, frequency, yet its aim is true. Just to give you an idea, it's for the 1, 3, 5 minute, and the hour. On the 5 minute, when these green dots show up, sayonara, sayonara, your boy's going to the moon. Now, lucky for us, 2 more dots showed up. Doesn't mean we're going to go straight up. Could go sideways and up. So that's good. We got the 2 dots. I don't know. I mean, how can you put a price on success? Anyways, I haven't slept. Oh, yes, how could I forget? Shout out to Keith Waring for his video. If you haven't seen it, let me pull it up here. If you haven't seen the interview, go and check it out and subscribe to his channel because Keith's a badass. He's joining our whale crew, going for a 30-day challenge.
Flip is the most bullish argument for Bitcoin I have ever seen.
Hopefully you guys can hear this.
So
this is him.
first of all, let's just check this out. When I say this is his premium Discord
There's
channel.
me.
It's $500 to join. Link to his page in about.
Now, we did an interview before I went to China, and he says he's going to air it in a couple weeks on Howdo, which is a trading platform / social media layered platform
2 weeks. You'll be able to.
that he is involved with. And so shout out to Keith. If I actually was gonna offer something, but I'm gonna pull it back. Anyways, go to his channel. The Bybit trade competition. Let's see how that's going. The heck? Oh, it's alt season. That's another thing we want to talk about. ETH. You know, the alts are showing all signs. I bought some more Zcash. At the end of the day, Bitcoin is still king. And yeah, this is the best indicator. I'll put my indicator against Alesio's LTD Vortex Siphon 2.0, against Tone Vase, against anybody. It's like having your own personal. It's better than me. It's better than me. It's me without the emotion, just the aim. And so I'm thinking. But my mentor isn't just some program nerd. He is a low 60s gentleman. I mean, a true mentor. He's traded for 25 years in financial markets. He owns acres and acres and acres of land and property and water wells, and he's one of those guys. You know what I mean? Old, rich and smart, and he's a good friend, and something we worked on together for almost 2 years. And I told you guys I always have tricks up my sleeve, things that I show out in levels. So I'm thinking about it. It's not for sale, but I'm thinking about it. Everyone has their price. So other than that, if anyone tells you that the bear market is confirmed over, they are full of it. And they were probably just covering the fact that they've been short and getting super wrecked. Um, you know, we're starting to hear people call out 10, 12, 15,000, which is all that shit. All that stuff's possible. But everyone's trying to scrape. It's like a rat race. They're trying to scrape to say something first. Everyone wants to be first now to call some shit. When at the end of the day, you know, most of them suck and don't even trade on a daily basis, a weekly basis, or even a monthly basis. They buy and hold shit coins. If you just buy and hold shit coins, you are no trader. So, might as well pull up some profit logs, because damn, you want to see how we're doing? My indicator, the results we get? Boom. 630%. Way to go, Michael. All the profit logs are public to everyone. Too tired to go through all this. But you can see it for yourself. We are murdering the game. Best signal group. You know, I was trying to get Keith to launch his series weeks ago when we were in this trade window. I fear the window's coming to a close, and but maybe not. We got time. This was just such a great trade window, just murdering the game every day. And so be patient. Don't over leverage. Don't do anything stupid. And boy, what a night. What a night. You know, we held through this. We held through this. Now we're in profit. So kudos. And God bless.